So, hello everyone. So, in this lecture, we'll be seeing the assignments on loops topic, and let us start it. And we need to first question is calculate the sum of even numbers in a list. Okay. So first, let us take the list as an input, and we need to find the sum of all the even numbers present inside that one. Okay. So first, let us just take L1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I need to find the sum of all the even numbers, right? So what we're going to do is, let us just take one variable, sum equal to 0, and let us iterate for I in range len of L1 if L1 of I mod 2 is equal to 0, then what should we do? Sum equal to sum plus, let us just take sum of even. Sum of even equal to sum of even plus L1 of I. And finally, let us just print sum of even value. Now let us just try to print it. It is being running. Yes, 30. That is nothing but 2 plus 4 plus 6. That is nothing but 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay. So what we are doing is we are just iterating the loop. And if the given number is even, there is nothing but the mod 2 double equal to 0 is nothing but remainder equal to 0. And if the number is divisible by 2, perfectly divisible by 2, then it is even number. So we are just adding it to the sum of even variable. Okay. Then finally we are printing it, the value. And let us go to the second one now. Write a Python program to display the first 7 multiples of 7. Okay, so that is nothing but 7, 14, 21, 28, and up to 7, first 7, right? 7 7 is 49. Up to then we need to print. So what I'm going to do is for I in range 1, 8, print I star 7. Yes, that's it, right? Just 2 lines of code. For I in range 1, 8, there is nothing but first 7, right? So we need to write 1, 8, and we are printing I star 7. So initially, what is I value? 1. What is 1 7s are 7. Next, what is I value? 2. 2 7s are 14. And it will go up to 7 and it will go to 49. Okay, so this is the second one. And now let us go for the third one. Write a Python program to print n natural numbers in descending order using a while loop. So we need to print the numbers using while loop in descending order. So first let us check for some 7 numbers, and while x is greater than 0, print x, and let us just subtract. That's it. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. N natural numbers in descending order. Got it, right? So just take x equal to 7 and just write one condition while x is greater than 0. Just print x and decrement the x value. That's it. So initially value is 7 and 7 is greater than 0. We are printing x 7 and we are subtracting 1 from it. That is 6, and it will recheck the condition and it is satisfied, and it will go 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, and finally if you go to 0, is 0 is greater than 0, it is false, right? Then the loop will be terminated. So this is the third one, and let us go for the fourth one now. Write a program to generate the following pattern. We need to generate this following pattern: 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 5. For let us use for 2 for loops here, for I in range 1, 6, and for j in range 1, I plus 1. Let us just print I and end equal to this one, empty, and let us print empty thing. And we are waiting for the output. 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5. Okay, so what is happening here is we are using two for loops for I in range 1 to 6, and inside for loop we are using j and 1 comma I plus 1. That is nothing but up to 1 it will I plus 1 it will iterate, and inside that one we are printing the I value and putting end equal to this one. That is nothing but there should be no gap between these printed numbers, and to get each iteration in new line we are printing the empty line. Okay, here. Okay, so that is what happening here, and this is this is it for functions. If you guys have any kind of doubts, just ping us and we'll be helping you. Okay, thank you for watching us.